Hello and welcome to this episode. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro, aka the village girl, and welcome to the other side of the village. Today we are going to make a Kiondo, the tradition way. Agikoyo Kiondo. Yeah, so we have these things. They're called Mirogamo. These ones are gotten from Sisal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, please subscribe. Udume kawaida.
Na kawaida.
Tuathe hamwe.
Asa rifare yo gwika.
Tugathio.
Reke.
Kari.
Aka.
Kaka. Ndiko iguru.
No gakuno kara tukagenda kweli wathi.
Okay. Ogwo.
Yulia ruri.
Oh. Oh.
Oya ndigi ikire hau cici.
Ici igiri.
No komenya ni ndiharu ndirarekia yulia.
Hello. So I got up to this point. I will continue doing this at night, but I won't record, and then tomorrow we'll see what we'll have done. Have a look at hers. She's doing so well. Look at that pattern. It's so pretty. So tomorrow we continue. Stay tuned. Hi. So I did this last night. I think I'm done. So we're going to cut this and finish. Oh god, today I've talked too much. So we are going to finish up. She has done a very good job. Look at this. It's awesome. I think my biggest issue is that I do not know how to tighten. I tried a bit here. I didn't tighten it so well, but at least I know how to do it. So we are going to finish up with this video, and then we will show the end product of all these. At least now I know how to make a kiondo. So if you want to learn, I'm here. I'll teach you. So the kiondo ended up looking like this. I'm going to make it a purse. What do you call those, by the way? Because I see people carrying kiondo purses all the time. So I'm gonna own one, and I wanted to make it, but then I couldn't. So she made it for me, but at least I know how to do it. And then so it can actually be either round like that. Nope, not like that. Okay, it can be round or can be used like this. So at the bottom here, the lines at the bottom, like this one and this one and this one, they look a bit faded, but that's because she soaked the sisal in charcoal and water, and then she dried it, and then she used them, okay, after drying them. So I think even when even if I wash this kiondo, it won't, these ones won't fade. I think they will stay like that. But here, the darker ones, this is yarn, like for real yarn. It's black, so that's why it's a bit darker than these ones. Of course, we know charcoal is black, but okay. So I am going to finish this kiondo myself because she showed me how to do it. Well, it might be a bit difficult because she said that, and she's not here because I came back from the village. I mean, I came back home. So, so she said that you use whatever, you use the what? These two sisal that you're using to make. Now instead of continuing to do that, you bend the hair. I'm not going to explain this, but it's so hard explaining it in English. I can only explain it in LiQWYD.